Today I'm doing a review on these Shatterproof bulbs. These mini bulbs were gifted to me in exchange for my review. Bulbs are great. They could be used for a filler on your tree, a centerpiece, a small mini tree, anything really. They're very cool looking. Some have sparkles. They're all different shapes. They just look very, very cool. I like these ones the best. They do come pre-hung, so they're very easy. They are shatterproof too, so if you have kids or animals, it will be a great bulb to have in the house. Now, as you can see, I'm pulling on it and they're staying on there, so they're pretty tight. This does come as a 45 count. Oh, it didn't break. It is unbreakable. All the bulbs are unbreakable and made of eco-friendly material. As you can see, they look really great on the tree. And I suggest them.